What if a few smart kitchen gadgets could save you time, eliminate daily frustrations, and actually make cooking fun again? From genius storage solutions to clever cooking tools and futuristic coffee gadgets, today we're counting down 18 incredible Amazon Kitchen finds that can seriously upgrade your daily routine. Stick around, because some of these are so clever, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Now, let's jump right into the first product. Travel Mini Kettle. Imagine having perfectly boiled water anywhere you go in just minutes. This portable kettle features 4 temperature settings, so you can prepare tea, coffee, or instant meals at the perfect heat every time. Built with stainless steel and fast boil technology, it also includes auto shutoff and boil dry protection for safe and reliable use. Whether you're traveling, working at the office, or staying in a hotel, this compact gadget ensures hot water is always ready when you need it. Pickle Hourglass Jar. No more fishing your pickles out of messy juice with your fingers. This clever hourglass jar uses a built-in strainer design that separates pickles from the brine with a simple flip. Made from durable food-grade materials, the container keeps pickles, olives, or veggies fresh while letting excess liquid drain instantly. When you want the juice back, simply flip it again, and it refills the chamber. It's a simple but genius kitchen hack that keeps snacks cleaner, easier to grab, and far less messy. Mini Rice Cooker. Perfect fluffy rice doesn't have to require a huge appliance anymore. This compact cooker features an LCD display and 8 cooking modes including rice, oatmeal, mixed grains, and more. The non-stick inner pot ensures even heating and effortless cleaning, while the small size is perfect for dorms, apartments, or small families. Whether you're making a quick lunch or prepping dinner after a long day, it takes the guesswork out of cooking grains. Just press a button and let it do the work. Bamboo Fruit Basket. Turn cluttered countertops into a beautifully organized kitchen display. This stylish 3-tier bamboo fruit basket gives you vertical storage space while keeping fruits and vegetables easily accessible. It also features 2 banana hangers and durable natural bamboo construction, making it both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Instead of fruit rolling across your counter or hiding in cabinets, everything stays organized and visible, encouraging healthier snacking. It's storage that actually improves your kitchen's look and functionality. Desk Mug Warmer. Tired of your coffee going cold before you finish it? This smart mug warmer keeps your drink perfectly hot with 3 adjustable temperature settings so you can maintain your ideal warmth. It also features automatic shutoff and safety alerts to prevent overheating or accidental damage. Whether you're working from home, gaming, or studying for hours, your coffee or tea stays warm the entire time. It's a simple desk gadget that quietly upgrades your daily routine. Door Stash Pod Holder. Stop digging through cabinets every time you need dishwasher detergent. This clever container hangs directly on the dishwasher door, giving you instant access to pods exactly where you need them. The secure lid keeps detergent dry and protected, while the compact design maximizes kitchen storage without adding clutter. It's one of those small upgrades that makes daily chores quicker and more organized. Once you use it, you'll wonder why dishwasher pods weren't always stored this way. Removable Handle Cookware. Imagine cookware that saves space, travels easily, and works in almost any kitchen setup. This versatile set features removable handles that snap on and off, allowing the pots and pans to go from stovetop to oven effortlessly. The non-stick surfaces ensure easy cooking and cleaning, while the design is also perfect for RVs or compact kitchens. It's a smart solution for people who want high-performance cookware without bulky storage problems. Magnetic Spice Rack. Running out of cabinet space for spices is a common kitchen struggle. This magnetic spice rack attaches directly to your refrigerator, instantly creating extra storage without drilling or tools. The strong magnetic backing keeps it firmly in place, while the open shelf design makes spices quick and easy to grab during cooking. Instead of cluttered cabinets and hidden bottles, everything stays organized and visible right where you need it. It's a simple upgrade that makes cooking smoother and your kitchen more efficient. Motion Cabinet Lights. Dark cabinets and closets can make finding things frustrating. These 48 LED motion sensor lights automatically turn on when movement is detected, giving you instant visibility. They're rechargeable, wireless, and easy to install, making them perfect for cabinets, closets, pantries, or under counters. Instead of fumbling around in the dark, you get bright, automatic lighting exactly when you need it. It's a small upgrade that adds both convenience and modern functionality to your kitchen. Personal Smoothie Blender. Healthy smoothies shouldn't require bulky appliances or complicated cleanup. This personal blender comes with 14 pieces, including 3 portable cups, making it easy to blend and take your drink on the go. The powerful motor quickly crushes fruits, ice, and vegetables, creating smooth shakes in seconds. Whether you're rushing out the door for work or preparing a post-workout drink, this compact blender keeps healthy habits quick and convenient. Push towel hooks. Kitchen towels constantly slipping off racks can be surprisingly annoying. These adhesive push hooks secure towels instantly with a simple push design, eliminating the need for traditional hooks. The strong adhesive backing sticks to walls, cabinets, or tiles without drilling or tools. It keeps hand towels right where you need them while maintaining a clean and organized look. It's one of those tiny upgrades that solves a daily frustration instantly. Electric Spice Grinder. Freshly ground spices can completely transform your cooking. This automatic grinder set features a rechargeable design with a 110 milliliter capacity, so you can grind more without constant refilling. The 6 adjustable coarseness levels and built-in LED light ensure perfect seasoning every time. With just the press of a button, you get fresh salt or pepper exactly the way you like it. It's a sleek gadget that adds convenience and professional-level flavor to everyday meals. SelfStirring Mug. Mixing coffee, hot chocolate, or protein shakes just got futuristic. This automatic mug uses magnetic stirring technology to blend drinks with the press of a button. The stainless steel interior keeps beverages hot, while the rotating mechanism eliminates clumps in seconds. Whether you're at home, at work, or traveling, it saves you from constantly stirring your drink manually. It's simple, fun, and surprisingly practical for everyday use. Glass meal containers. Meal prep becomes dramatically easier with the right containers. These durable glass containers feature 2 or 3 compartments for portion control, helping you organize balanced meals effortlessly. The airtight, leak-proof lids keep food fresh, while the containers are oven, freezer, and microwave safe for maximum convenience. Whether you're prepping lunches for work or storing leftovers, they keep meals organized and ready to go. It's a must-have upgrade for healthier, stress-free meal planning. Electric jar opener. Stubborn jar lids can be frustrating and even painful to open. This automatic jar opener uses high-torque motor power and one-touch operation to loosen lids effortlessly. The auto-size guides adjust to different jar sizes, ensuring a secure grip every time. Instead of struggling or asking someone for help, you simply press a button and let the device do the work. It's a lifesaver for anyone with limited hand strength or busy kitchens. Wrap Cutter Dispenser. Plastic wrap and foil rolls can turn into a tangled mess fast. This refillable dispenser features a built-in cutter that slices wrap cleanly and evenly every time. The magnetic backing lets it attach to refrigerators or metal surfaces, keeping it accessible without taking up counter space. Instead of fighting with cling film boxes, you get smooth, controlled wrapping in seconds. It's a simple kitchen upgrade that saves time and eliminates frustration. Roll-up drying rack. Counter space is precious, especially in smaller kitchens. This roll-up drying rack fits directly over your sink, creating instant space for drying dishes, fruits, or vegetables. The heavy-duty stainless rods with silicone coating provide strong support while staying heat-resistant and non-slip. When you're done, it simply rolls up and stores away easily. It's a brilliant space-saving solution that keeps your kitchen cleaner and more efficient. Rotary cheese grater. Grating cheese or slicing vegetables doesn't have to be slow or messy. This rotary grater comes with 5 interchangeable blades for shredding cheese, slicing veggies, or even preparing potatoes. The hand crank design with reinforced suction base keeps it stable and safe while you work. Instead of risking your fingers with traditional graters, you get fast, consistent results with minimal effort. It's a powerful little tool that speeds up meal prep dramatically.